Session 20. Direct proportion. Buy 5 pens for £3.50 and 8 pens for. Well, that's exactly what we're about to work out. When two quantities are directly proportional, doubling one always doubles the other, a completely constant rate of change. By the end of today, you'll recognize direct proportion, use the unit method to solve any proportion problem, and spot when a relationship isn't actually proportional. Two quantities are in direct proportion when they increase or decrease together at a constant rate. Doubling one always doubles the other. The unit method finds the value for a single unit of the first quantity, then multiplies by however many units are needed. It works for any direct proportion problem. Direct proportion shows up anywhere a cost or amount scales steadily with quantity. Buying more of an identical item, pens, apples, tickets, costs proportionally more at a fixed rate per item. A car's fuel use scales with distance traveled, assuming steady driving conditions. Scaling a recipe for more people multiplies every ingredient by the same factor, direct proportion in the kitchen. Why does this matter? Because the unit method works reliably no matter how the numbers in a question are presented. Not every relationship that increases steadily is actually proportional. A fixed starting fee breaks the pattern completely. Testing what happens at 0 units is the fastest way to check. True direct proportion always gives 0 at 0. 5 pens cost £3.50. Find the cost of 8 pens. First, find the cost of a single pen. 350 divided by 5 is 70 pence per pen. Multiply that unit cost by the number needed. 8 times 70 pence is £5.60. A taxi charges a fixed £3 starting fee plus £2 for every mile. Is the fare directly proportional to distance? A 1-mile journey costs 3 plus 2, £5. A 2-mile journey costs 3 plus 4, £7. If this were truly proportional, doubling the distance from 1 mile to 2 miles should double the fare from £5 to 10, but it's only 7. Not proportional. A car uses 6 liters of fuel to travel 90 kilometers. Using the unit method, how far can it travel on 15 liters? First, find the distance per liter. 90 divided by 6 is 15 kilometers per liter. Multiply by 15 liters. 15 times 15 is 225 kilometers. Complete example. A phone plan costs a fixed £10 plus 5 pence per minute used. Is this direct proportion? Test at 0 minutes. A truly proportional relationship gives £0 at 0 units, but this plan still costs £10 even with no usage at all. Since it doesn't pass through 0, this is not direct proportion. The fixed charge breaks the pattern, even though the total does increase steadily with more minutes.